Okay, we have lesson 662 now, which is on graphing systems of linear inequalities. This is not available for you to write anything anywhere. You can't, this isn't in your notes. But a system of linear inequalities is just like a system of equations, except it's inequalities. So it's two or more inequalities that you are interested in at one time. So two or more inequalities. What we're going to do today is graph some of them and find the feasible region for like solutions, I guess. So what we have is two equations per problem. I'm going to code them with colors. I'm going to do blue and red. So blue, I'm going to graph first. We have a slope of a y-intercept of -3 and a slope of 1/2. So we're going to rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2, or drop 1, back 2. Drop 1, back 2. This one has an equals option, so this should be a solid line. And then here's a shortcut. If you like it, great. If you don't, you can always test a point. But I'm kind of trying to work on moving a little bit quicker so you don't want to rage out on me too badly. So since this y is less than, the way I think of it is y is less than -3. So the y values less than -3 are these. -4, -5, -6, and so on. So this is going to be the successful area. What that means is if you guys test 0, 0, it's going to fail. If you test 0, 0, it's going to fail. So then let's graph the red one. So the red one has an intercept of 2 and a slope of -2. So we're going to drop 2, run 1, drop 2, run 1, drop 2, run 1, or up 2, back 1. This one does not have an equals option, so we're going to have a dotted line. And this one says y's are greater than 2. Y's are greater than 2. So that'd be like 3, 4, 5, these ones. So the region we are interested in is this one right here. Not including this red dotted line. It can't be on that. But everything in here where it got double colored, that black area, this is our solution region. So on your homework, if you wanted to, last year what some people did is they like crossed or deleted that and deleted this. But that's up to you. As long as you make it clear to me what your feasible region is, that's fine. Okay, next one, I'm going to do this one in blue, this one in red. So in blue, our y-intercept's -2, and our slope is -1/3. So I'm going to drop 1, run 3, or go up 1, back 3. This one does not have an equal sign, so I need to do a dotted line. And then it says y is greater than -2. So bigger than -2 is like -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It's this whole region up here. When we look at our red equation, our intercept is 2, and our slope is 1. Rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. Cut through the boxes. This one also does not have an equals option, so we need to make a dotted line. And this one says that y is greater than 2. Okay, greater than 2 is like 3, 4, 5, 6, so above the line. Now the place that you have purple is the place that they have doubled up. It's this region right here. This is our feasible region. All right, in blue, our equation is y is greater than 2. Ugh. Okay, our intercept is 2. We don't have an equals option, so we're gonna have a horizontal line. There's no slope, so it means it's a flat line. And y is greater means above that. Now in red, our intercept is -3 and our slope's -5/3. So this one I can't drop 5, so I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. backwards 1, 2, 3, so that I still have a negative slope. No equals option, so I need to do a dotted line. And then it says y is less than -3. So less than -3 is like -4, -5, -6. So here, our feasible region is where they overlap again, right here. Okay, last one. Our y-intercept is 3. Drop 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forward 3. No equal sign, so I'm going to do a dotted line. In red, oh, sorry, I need to shade. So this one says y is bigger than 3. Bigger than 3 is like 4, 5, 6. And then in red, we have a slope of an intercept of -1, slope of -1/3. No equal sign or no equals option. It says y is greater than -1. Greater than -1 is like 0, 1, 2, above the line basically. Greater is above. So our feasible region is right here. It also clearly like extends beyond. If this graph was bigger, it would extend out there too, but within the picture, that's where it is. All right, that is all she wrote. You guys have homework? 662. Got a while on that 6.